I don't know what you mean. No, Emirates, man.
Hey, bro, I don't care about no fucking Emirates, bro. Fuck. Where did you get this from?
A shop.
No, but Open diff life. Whoa, is that a Rolex? How much are you getting paid for this photography business here? Ooh. Fluttering. How much horsepower is that one on?
Bro, this is on like 900, bro.
And the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to another car meet. Well, I haven't been to a car meet in ages. So Liam sent me the Instagram post for this one. He said it's by, like, I think it's by Mr. Manny, but don't quote me on that. But hopefully Liam will be there. I'll meet him there and we shall see the cars. Also, oh my god, I think my car will be the dirtiest fucking car here. Look at it. Mate, it's the fucking rain, man. I can't do nothing about it. It's just fucking absolute shocking, mate. Look, it's not just my car. It's fucking disgusting, man. And I don't have time to wash it, so be alright. See what happens. So got here a bit early. Cars are building up. Cars are coming in. Cars are coming in. I'll just wait here, see what we've got coming in. Ooh, what's this here? Decent. That's a decent colour, that. What's that crackling noise? Not 100% sure. Fluttering. Decent. Open diff life. Decent. Oh. So I think most cars have come in, but now we've got one police officer blocking the way. Don't know how that's going to turn out, to be honest, but I'm sure they can't do anything because no one is actually doing anything. So now we got another one. So everyone now that's coming in here is going so slow. God damn it! I'm here for footage. What you see, slow as possible. Slowly does it. Ram, bam, 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 bam. Oh, how's it going, mate? Alright. Hey, well, they just came here, they just asked me, innit, what's going on. I just said, oh, I don't know, I just turned up. Yeah. Yeah, I think they'll be gone soon, to be honest, because no one's really doing anything there. Yeah.
I think it was like 2 weeks ago, it was like this.
Oh, was it? What, same location?
No, it wasn't like...
Oh, right, somewhere else, but like, right.
like 30 police cars turned up.
Right, fucking hell. Bloody hell. Right. Yeah, literally, I was recording cars coming in before. They were all putting their foot down, and now as soon as the police did that, it was so slow. Yeah. What is it again? 325i or 3? Oh, this is the perfect. See, same thing with mine. Exact same, bro. This fucking rain, bastards, bro. Oh, you need a convertible in this weather, though. Perfect. Smashing it. How much horsepower is that one on, Liam?
Bro, this is on like 900, bro.
Yes, Liam. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Alright. How's it going, Liam? When did you turn up?
Like about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, right. It's on this one.
Oh, mate, so basically,
I was even gonna come, Liam. You persuaded me to come, mate.
I know what. Blue, top
Yeah.
tyres.
That is
Best
beautiful,
in
mate.
business.
Top tyres. I don't think I've been there.
Oh, you've not
Shout
been?
out, bro.
You've not been?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
You've got to go. Best
Right.
in the business, bro. I
Top
think-
tyres.
I tell everyone to go there. Honestly,
Yeah.
All of these I tell.
Right.
here.
Whoa, is that a Rolex? How much you
get?
getting paid for this photography business here,
If you
Liam?
zoom in, it's not. It's not, bro.
Oh, Ford Mustang, mate. Decent.
Chilling, you? Yeah, but there's 2 cars. One there, one there.
I was about to say, that's the quietest Mustang I've ever seen.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
it's fucking weird. But
Smashing it, Liam.
look,
Looking fresh, bro, fresh.
done burnout.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Look at it's gone, that
Decent.
innit? That is gone.
Yeah. Road legal.
Mate, you reckon the Fed would give me section 59?
For what? This? No. I don't think that, mate. I don't think they've checked bike tyres, bro. They don't care about none of
They'll
that.
be checking online. I don't know what you... Yo, Emirates, man!
Hey, bro, I don't care about no fucking Emirates, bro. Fuck. She's just going around checking all the license plates.
You got nice teeth, though, you know.
Yes, I don't know what you say. Where's your car?
Oh, it's that hers.
Oh, right. Hey, is this a Golf R as well? No? Right. So you're faster than yours, then, Adrian.
Yeah, no, it is.
No, it's not.
Bro, I've seen these things everywhere. Everyone's got. Where did you get this from?
A shop.
No, but where?
I don't know what it's called. I don't know.
Go on, where's-
in Stockport.
fire it now. Let's see how far they go.
I don't want to spray up someone's car. No, you do it.
I just want to see it. Oh yeah, decent.
Where's
Looking all right. I don't know. So now we got the old squad out.
Oh.
What's happening, Liam? You putting them all on Waze?
Yeah.
Yeah, let the people know, bro. I wonder what's going on there. Closed it off.
Off the road, haven't we?
Yeah.